Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete from Pete's Tools. How are we all going today? Another beautiful day on my side of the planet. Hey guys, I don't know if you're anything like me. I don't actually know what age you fellas are, but do you have to wear glasses like I do? I mean, I'm getting old now, you know, and bits and pieces are falling off me, and you know, I'm deaf, and hey, what you say? And I can't see it, all this crap. So I discovered the other day that you can actually buy some glasses for your welding helmet. Anyway guys, this is what today's video is about. If you're old and decrepit like me, you might need glasses for your welding helmet. Same as usual guys, like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day in the comments below, and let's get into it, eh? So I don't know if you guys are anything like me. Like I say, I'm getting bloody old and I have to wear these glasses. They're not any special glasses, I just buy them at the cheap shop. Of course you're buying them at the cheap shop, Pete, because you're as cheap as chips. Yeah, I buy them like at the $2 shop, and all they are is just magnifying lenses. Like I need about a 3 magnification to see now, because my eyes are crapping out. But what the problem I have with this is, when I put my glasses on, and then try and put my welding helmet on, half the time you can't get your bloody head inside the helmet. Now depending how big your welding helmet is guys, like I say, I have real trouble, because my glasses seem to hit the bloody front of the helmet, and it's a real pain in the neck, because I get that close that I get a reflection off the bloody screen on the inside of the helmet, and it just doesn't help with your welding at all, especially if you're not that good at welding in the first place. You need every little bit of bloody help that you can get, eh? So pushing your face right up against the bloody welding screen on the inside just doesn't help. So then I discovered this guys. So I went online and I actually found this magnifying lenses that actually slide into the back of your welding helmet. I thought that's pretty damn cool. That way I can take my glasses off and I can actually see what the hell I'm welding. But if you're going to buy these lenses guys, make sure you know what sort of strength glasses you're using. Like I'm using a strength 3, so I just bought a strength 3 magnifying lens. Now if you've got a welding helmet like this is a Yes Welder helmet, it's a true colour helmet, then fitting the lens is a piece of cake. But if you've got a helmet like this, that's a little bit cheaper, then you don't have the connections in the inside of your helmet to put your lens, so I'll show you how to do it on this one. First we'll do it with the Yes Welder helmet, and I'll show you how easy you can put these lenses in. So as you can see with this helmet guys, it's got a couple of little rails on each side here. Let me see if I could show you a bit better. See that rail here? It's got one rail there and it's got another rail on this side here. So all you do is just take your lens out, like so. And when you slide this in guys, make sure you put, it's got a flat edge, this side, and then it's got like a concave, convex edge on this side. Put the flat edge down flat. That way it stops a lot of bloody frosting up of your helmet. You know, like when you wear glasses and you might have your mask on or something like that, then your glasses just get all frosted up. Well, it'll do the same thing if you don't put it around the right way. So all you need to do guys is grab that, like I say, put it on the flat side down, slide it up here, and you'll see it'll slide straight up the rail. Just like that guys, and now I can weld without my glasses. Yee-hee! So like I say guys, a little bit more expensive helmets like this have got the mechanism where you can just slide that straight into your helmet. But what if you're using a little bit cheaper helmet like this? Here, I'll show you. Then we have a look on this one here guys. Move that round Pete so you can bloody see. These are a right pain in the ass, aren't they? They block the camera's view. Anyway, if you see in here guys, it hasn't got the slide to slide that thing up. What we're going to have to do guys is figure out some way to attach the cheetah lens. I don't know why they call these cheetah lenses, but they do. Yeah, anyway, some way to attach this lens to the inside of our helmet here. So what Pete came up with was this. Grab yourself some blue tack or whatever it's called in your country. It's just the sticky stuff that kids use to stick posters on the wall with or whatever. And just take a lump of this and take it out, make it pliable. When I haven't had any of this guys, I've actually used chewing gum, but don't tell anybody. Get a bit of this blue tack stuff here guys. See that sort of sticky horrible shit. Once again, make sure that we've got the flat side down. See, this is not the flat side, so we want the flat side down. So all you need to do is make 4 little balls out of this stuff guys, and stick one in each corner. So we'll go one there. This is really complicated, eh? 2. And if you haven't got any blue tack, go and see if your kids have got any posters on the wall and rip a bit off there. Well, like I say, to get yourself some chewing gum, do the same with chewing gum. Chewing gum's a bit more yucky though, because it's harder to peel off, whereas this stuff you can just peel it straight off when you want to use your lens on another helmet. So there we go, guys, our cheetah lens with 4 lumps of blue tack on it. Now this is where it gets really, really complicated. Grab your helmet like so. Grab your lens like so. And just stick it on, guys. Who needs to buy an expensive helmet, guys? And when you finish with it, guys, just rip the thing off, like so. See, notice it didn't leave any residue on here. And then just pull your blue tack off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clean as whistle. Go and use it for the next time. So guys, if you're half blind like me, just get one of these little things. They're really cheap, $6 or $7. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to go and get yourself one. And it just saves you a lot of drama with the old glasses. Because like I say, I just can't weld without glasses. I mean, I can't weld anyway, but it's even worse without glasses, if you know what I mean. So guys, same as usual, like my video, subscribe. Come say good day in the comments below. We can have a bit of a yarn. You might have a better idea of how to fix one of these if you haven't actually got the helmet that it's supposed to fit into. And we'll see you next time, guys. Oh, before I forget, guys, if you want to see the first time that I ever did flux core welding, check up here. And if you want to learn how to bend steel with a plasma cutter without actually cutting through it, check up here. See you guys.
Pete'sTools.com